This is the Delem DA-69S. Delem has a reputation for producing some of the best Pressbrake controllers in the world. The DA-69S is their latest controller that updates the legendary DA-69T system with the latest of enhancements. It runs on a large 24-inch high-definition touchscreen, which is crisp and responsive, and the interface is laid out in a clear way that's easy to use. You can program in either 2D or full 3D with built-in tools that can automatically calculate your tooling setup and bend sequence, detect any possible collisions, and determine the sequence with the fastest production time, all before you commit to the job. The full 3D simulation isn't just for show either. It reflects your real machine, including tool stations, and displays the part after each bend, helping operators keep on track when bending the product, reducing errors. Here's a simple example. You load your part, define your bends, pick your tools, and the controller does the rest. It checks for issues and calculates the best bend order. This level of feedback saves time, reduces trial and error, and helps you get more done with fewer mistakes. You can even program jobs offline using Profile S3D, so while your operator is running parts, you can get ahead and start programming the next product. The DA-69S gives you the tools to make products easier and with a lot more confidence. It can do the quick, no-nonsense bends for beginners and can give complete control of the bending process to the experienced operators. So if you're considering a state-of-the-art press brake, the Delem DA-69S is a smarter way to approach bending. For more information, head into your local Heron Forbes Machinery House store or jump online to machineryhouse.com.au.